Hello everyone, I am here with a destash video. I am going to be making up a few of these bags and stuffing as much as I can in them to sell because I have so much stuff and I have a few orders I have to get to, and I just am overwhelmed with all that I have in here, so I gotta destash some destash. Anyways, we will get right into this and try to show you what's all. Oh my gosh, I have my sewing machines right here in my way. And this is I'm just going to take these FedEx bags and stuff them full, and whatever's in here is all goodness though. First of all, we have this stamp in here, never been used. I think it came from Hobby Lobby. Oh no, I think I might have got it at a garage sale. But still, paid too much money for that little duty. And I've never used it. And it looks like it might have had a sticker here that was, I'm not sure. Can't remember. But anyway, you have this big old stamp in here. Oh my goodness. We have leftover tablets, just little tablets that I used some of and then just had this left over. I think this is 6x6 tablet. A bunch of these big journaling cards. I have a zillion of these, and yeah, so a handful of those. I don't know how I'm going to get all this back in here. This is a little pocket divider thing. A couple of these, they'll be good for like pockets and things. Clear pockets. I don't know where I even got these. I think they came from a garage sale or something. I'm not quite sure, but a couple of those. Here are some bits. This is like a business card holder, but it's sticky on the back. You can put it in your journal and use it as a clear pocket. And then these are just some ephemera that I had cut out already. So I just put those in there. This is a little booklet. Oh, come on, open up. The sticker came off of this, but you can take that out and put this back in there. And here, I'll show you this side. See, it's a little pocket. It's a reusable booklet. My sister made this. But I'm not going to take that all apart and redo that. I'm just going to let whoever gets this fix it, because I have got too many other things I have to fix. But I will tie that back up so it don't fall out. And here are some little, are they just papers that I didn't use. There's just a bunch of little blue and yellow and just fun little papers in there. I'll put them back in, maybe. Oh my goodness gracious. Just some of those that I didn't use. I think these were from Michael's. A little booklet. I think this came from the dollar store. A little book that I had that I've never used, and it's super cute. I'll try to show you a little bit that's inside. Some really cute images and things. And this is a journal cover that I was going to use but never got back to it, and it already has some inside pockets, and all you got to do is reinforce the spine and put a signature in there and a closure. So it's already ready to go. I just never got back to that. This is a little box, gift box, that you can fold all this up and make a little gift box out of. Another journal cover that I never got back to. This one. And this is vintage wallpaper right here that it's made out of, and file folder. And you fold it over like this and put your closure around it. Put your signature in there. So it's all ready to go for a signature. So that's two covers. And this really cute pin that I got from Tuesday Mornings. And some leftover stickers. They're like metal stickers. And they say like princess and party dress and little lady. Must be little girl stickers. A Tim Holtz ink, little tiny ink pad to go with your stamp. A little card of little flowers. Post-it notes. Really cute post-it notes for my planner that I never used. And these, it's just a bundle of a lot of seashells, and it's an ephemera pack that I bought at Joann's that I never ended up using them all. There's a ton in here. I think this was 2 packs bundled up to one is what this was, because I used some out of both packs and then just put the rest in here. A bunch of stickers. Some more stickers that just little quotes and little sayings. Stickers, happy birthdays, friends, and all that kind of good stuff. Clear stickers. Oh, here's some more. I knew there was more of these. Just stickers that were left over that I didn't use. Try to keep those all together. Let's see what else. We're getting into the sticker situation here. Oh, these are some tabs. A whole bunch of tabs in here that my sister punched out and didn't use, so she just stuck them in this packaging. And I have a bunch of tab punches already, so these are going in here. There's, I don't know, tons of them in there. Leftover stickers. Some more. I think these came from the dollar store. I think I used 2 of those. And these ones are just little label stickers. Some beautiful butterfly. The light is getting on those, but never used any of those. Let's get some more out of here. Oh, this little guy. I'll put that back in there when I'm done. And then this little punch-out stickers situation that never got used. This light is, I don't know what's going on here, sorry. I'm trying to make it to where you can see this, but I'm going to go through it quick so it doesn't take forever. This is a very old vintage S&W Quick Saver book. I don't know, but it's super cool, and I have a whole bunch of these that I had bought on Etsy. Not Etsy, sorry, eBay, and I never used them all. But that's a full book, and it's amazing. Some more oh, these aren't stickers, they're punch-outs, actually. And, yeah, never used those. Here is a little, I think this came from the dollar store, full little booklet. And you just, this little booklet. I have a lot of things that I just never used, and I just got to make some room. Okay, here is some, I'm not sure, oh, paper. For scrapbooking paper. This is just a whole thing of it. I never used any of this, but it's all the same in there. I think there's 12 sheets. I don't know. Oh, 4 designs, 2 solid colors. Okay, and then there's this one. It's got little, all different color pastel polka dots on there. And it's a full pack as well. I'm trying to stuff these things full. And who knows, I might be able to stuff a couple more things in here before it's said and done. Oh no, I smashed that. It fell off. Oh my goodness. How did I do that? I don't know what it came off of, but I'll stick it in a little baggie so it won't get ruined. And here is a bundle of vintage wallpaper samples. I'll just flip through them really quick. Some more of this. I have so much of this stuff too. These make great covers. I love these for covers. I just had to fold them to get them in the bag, but they're They're quite long, as you've seen. I don't know, like 15 inches long by 8. 8 this way and 15 this way. And here's a whole pack that I got at Tuesday mornings and never used. I think I have a couple more of these actually, same exact one. A couple file folders that are super cool that I've made journal covers out of and all sorts of ephemera with. They're double-sided. And then there's this one. And this side. And yeah, that is the first stuffed bag destash. The destash bag. I won't put all this back in there while I'm on camera, but I'm going to have quite a few of these available. So if you are interested, I will link my Facebook below, and you can catch me on there. Just send me a PM, and I'll give you all the information. And yeah, I'll do one destash bundle per video because they're so big and it's going to take forever. But I want y'all to see what's in them. And yeah, hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching this video. And I will be back with a destash number 2 bag. And hopefully you'll have, well, I know you'll have a few more surprises in this bag. And if you get this one, and yeah, have a wonderful day. And no, I haven't stopped doing journals. I'm just trying to, somebody keeps asking me that, and I am just trying to make room and just minimize a little bit because I have so much stuff. And yeah, I want to share. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video with anybody that might be interested, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.